Yadamunya Sogo so share Badwam Jumadi on Adom TV, live on Facebook and so Adom TV, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, maybe abefebia Adom TV. Yes, we live and so YouTube tiko na kopebi share wa wo free. And then come baby no edos ye pa. Mamfa happy birthday kase and come Samuel Sian. Oh, lighting department multimedia group. And we can now do birthday. Nyankopon nshira na onyo kase. Happy birthday and come bro. Nyamenyo kase pa kopem se obeye kase pa. And also boys and girls ni oye ni so ye pa na muye. Eti se nyansa afi bia ke pe. Saturday nyamenyo over 100 years. Ni ejim nyansa de bia. And happy birthday Eko Emma Samuel baby Obia. Sounds na belated happy birthday so Eko ma Deputy Finance Minister Dr. John Kuma. And now so na your birthday. Dr. Nyankopo enshira. Joseph so edase eni mpuntuma wo pre ede Emma wo mo. And also your birthday ede Emma Dr. Case Ato Force former Deputy Finance Minister. Dr. so na your birthday. Semdi kano pana sana mebano. So, and Friday nti na otwu free mu a enyeye. Baby bi ekoso bia babanyawe. Happy birthday Dr. Enko Emfa. E mabra sem na bedwafo ebetrase edi enko mefa na sekese enko ma Hepa Plus mixture. Oka edu papa ne aba ebuama entidi ade aso anu atu ase krade amawa. Eno ane Hepa Plus mixture. Mo be bi eton do bia no okwa onsa ebeka bi ato. Sanso na Franco Trading Enterprise. Franco Trading Enterprise, phone papa efie and wadum and na wo pe baby abenya phone ya ne bo e wo phone baby abenya phone ya ye phone papa be che e dia mawa e ye Franco Trading Enterprise na we kan for dia manya phone ko am say ye TV say gas cooker say e ye fridge ni o pe bi ye de be say de mama bia de Franco Trading Enterprise o hwo mo e wo enkran koko mlemle o krabata ba ko so e okumaso ko a Ubenwa makachi ono kotone papa ni bi edi every wordum. Kelchako toothpaste ya pa simasi enye fitawati. Misi enkane ma menom edi ye body chino etu bidie so. Ni etwini saa ni ye twu simasi aye fita. Ene ye toothpaste ya mao. Ene fene Kelchako toothpaste. Paste papa na abadwa so awofo agye atum etu bidi twu masi enu te unyante ya kono ko pepi eto city black tonic ensunye. Ubenu majadro ahihye aye kama agina na so ye pa. Enwa any city blood tonic. O maybe be a tondo be a kwa sabeka bi ato me kwa so yasene emiade Mpensenpensenmu dwumadie ebrembedin de akwasi insia. NS Kumi a member of the National Communications Team ma NPP amanyoko sanso ena kwaku boy Anthony eka ho teacher ni pa mapa. Teacher ni pa o nyese nchenchen teacher ni o kire chemistry. Ekoskuni ekasobiye chemistry teacher. Nyomo mo kire latulatu bi. We ye chemistry teacher Anthony Kwakubuahe. Deputy National Communications Officer de ma NDC amyo. Kwakubuahe ko de. Ye ni akosi. Ye de ya me ase. School for na film.
Na some kitwa o me amefo me kaise enra a weekend na me okumase. E be last week. Me te be sa me ne NDC for mpanimfo bi na ye din koma anti Lady BNS or dane nenia me was wo dimri kan wo dia be bam me adia me say my powers are wo kire ma di o they say me nurse
wow
o hospital onye government hospital
yeah
so sa dinya me ase no say enkofo ni bebre da bi obi abusamase omo social media so omo ye proud omo hu me o TV so I'm say the nyame betumi aye no no dan no say nso me number bi saa na akola ba akwa pack ka across me and then our engineer one of the mining companies ni bi okoye mining engineer wo takwa one of the mining engineer mining ni bi o penny o but na dey one for secondary school the nyame ase
kokudi ke kakwa say school dey woni nkwada ye o.
Oh, the meet me I am my
okay. Beba be ye
my the gamen so ase say enkwara no so omo amekire omo chemistry and science no from JSS akopim secondary school no so omo so a progressive fast bibi ekoyi
already Ernest
Kwesi
Akwatia boko dey.
You Adom.
Akwatia star boy.
Na Munia Kwaku, Nedina na mumuni yena na Kwaku akachom. Udina ya Antonio. So Nedina Antonio Kwaku bwai. Oh, na kan
Ekedi no be ko. No no mubo.
Onibo
Ofra no pa Antonio Kwaku bwai.
Amincha minya keje we yo bia.
Oh yeah, Juma bro. Oh yeah, branch election no Monica.
Chana nyame kan ho. Diko gudi Antonio. Eno na romo afọ di bia. Na ana fi fa akonya so na menchia union metia ife akwatia ne ne mpatem nyina no. Enkenka ne ye mpanifo a edi MPP amanyoko n'enim ewo akwatia constituency. Ye chairman Alhaji Baba Akufo-Addo na friend Baba Yenkro. And then Ampofo Bonechi dom wo constituency na mechiamo. Mecha ye party mpanifo wo akwatia constituency na from the grassroots to the very topmost person. Ye mo bibia ache.
Member, it's a more seemingly new national executives.
Yeah.
As a Jebia Bem.
Yeah.
Jebi. As a Bora headquarters or Krana. You see, say, I hope say Mkoye one day, one idea, it be attack and was be. And so once I say Jebia Ba office one. And look as if say a Brebia Bekobia and a national executive officer. Our office so towards say maybe a so team crofo so yeah a more office. I think that's the best way for.
Yeah, that's the best way for the party. Now, to say na wo kan media me hu ni say enya ade be 9-day wonder.
Okay.
But ade a be to akoso akọ nanim sa isan say these are new people are the omaba. Say omo be ko omo animo, say omo be tia sign wo politics mu. Ni nyina gina fapem a ene efi ne yi ko no omo betu ede ama party no.
Okay.
Na o hwe mebu ewu mu na o hwe enipa ya power mu anase ko abe yeto ma omo ni how key the election was. O ntimi entoto nase. Eti me de misusu se wo mo aya power man nei so mo bedi party ni nim no. Omo nim omo so omo daachi hu hia omo party no e daachi hu hia. We nyina e daachi e hye omo nsa enei no. Eti they can't afford to fail us and fail themselves. Enti o hwe ne sa from sa perspective na just ahokeka akọ ya wo hu wo no. Me de misusu se e kọ nanim no ye be hu ne esensa na o hwe dwumadi a omo ahya ase ne nso a ye mpa ebo ne se ombenya ahoden na nyame beboa mo no be mo nimdie no motimi ayabro de sana o ma start nti omunya yekodu hu na motimi fa ye party no break 8 na se sana ye nyina expect no
possible,
very very possible. Oze
the ntina mo ka kira ban say yen scrap E-Levy COVID tax and a 12 do be a mo fi say dia honyanyi a e ba Ghana force when musumu nim say a fact say o man so eko ahonyehiem ti e be hia taxes kakra bi e dey support your developmental project.
Me do asepi panin chairman nua ba ko a me ne di agro office account na en birthday friend Mark Ofusu.
Okay.
Office account their friend Mike ba Chimota ABC no we nim say friend of Mark Ofusu.
Okay.
Bra Mike rebia will be am chiao.
Enya so happy birthday.
Happy birthday pa nyamenka ho ne de we be after that is Abraham na be so last year to party my appeal so you sure say attack you crew Friends Alliance official town.
Okay.
Say pa una na ken mu nyina aka ho. Nti penifo bebre o. Ti enwumre e bia betna say o me hunu say den hye ne city.
Me hu say be tia to yeso ho afa.
To Friends Alliance fo nyina ye tia mu nyina official town. Minia dientia ye kasa no say on say baby o man ne duro no ahohihia ne doso o man ne kwa ahohihia mu bebre kofo mo kire wo mo kofo adwuma nyina asai kofo bibi o mo ye bia no e throw in despair because o no taka bibia na jego na di ntia ye kasa E-Levy ne ho hia se koso ne agie no se ye hu se E-Levy no a na ye ka kire nuanu MPP4 na nado dan kokufa na Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia say emfaso ni so emmoa Ghana for ye ho he haaye ye tax upon tax na wo gye no Ghana for so nti no munyai amuka to munyai omsanse sa Ghana sika nyina move from region to region e de kokko years sensitization senior sika mu say no eso sene de omanyai
sika mu say no E-Levy sensitization workshops near the so share the 93 million Ghana cedis now yeah
what is the basis
go sika say no spend here
eso pa
say
omko regions ni nyina omko Takrade, for plane. I don't know land cruisers in the platform. I know my drivers.
Can you imagine?
Plane no crown higher, I say. Now the NDC to high plane 1 hour at $20,000.
And here outside Ghana.
In Ghana to 1 hour, I say. It's
or more a workshop not in a cost. Let me say. I am to the 93 million Ghana cedis now.
Also. Omo plane a call and a land cruisers in the far from fairly fuel.
Okay.
Me Kumase.
Okay.
Last week. Me Prado no.
Yeah.
Me to fuel 15 million. Anyama.
1,500 Ghana cedis.
1,500. Maybe I'm start 700 go so. Enti we do
1,500 anyama.
To say me.
And as I 700.
We will use 200 with and send you to. Who failure a bit nimnet that red ya.
Okay.
But feel about 8,800.
Okay.
Enti land cruisers be 10 in the free Hakon North. Esa buyer. We dey granted they say 80 million. O ko 80 million, o buy 80 million. Ko failure esa. On ko North so na san. But sa top for gum no aba. Land cruisers stand here say. E didi o mu didi ye.
O de wadwi na esusu anase on se ko
bi. E rare because petrol dey na can watch.
So the reality no say no mo spend ye
mean to me by me mouth me mouth justification na wa so be use common sense na dia make up me ehunu.
So it means say enye possible say no mo spend any ebro the 93 million Ghana cedis na
enye. Me betumi kra bo kra me bi kra ka.
So give us figure.
Me ana ma ka to me to me ana me cheche omu no ti na quantifier wa we hunu dey.
Okay.
Me cho one region pe dey.
Okay.
Salam process 10 and a call ye. Omkoda hotel. Hotel, somebody hotel, a cost more than 10 million a night. I will not. Omonkoda, baby, get to a going to the place. Keep peace care, say, a day. We tell people for ya, with first class, I know what it is. We saw what that hotel for. The carpet nina. Naka quit the plane or far coy, or high coy. We must cow say, move from way, or move back to the plane the quay. Land cruisers mess up for labor. Now there's an matter okay. Mummy any serious kakra.
Ko serious na bi na ye say. Magana for ye ntiase.
Na ma kire omu to quantify akofia ma.
You better quantify we.
Ma ka kire o ntiase a ntime ye dey na me tete ma ntiase bi.
Because matiase say ye nya 93 million Ghana cedis.
Ana me say ti come dey sensitization. E so sene
so my sika no dey sensitization.
Ana me cheche bucho ntime mo mitrim na me fa figure bi ama.
So it means only figure bi a.
But dey me kire wo no we common o use common sense dey a. Dey me kire no e ma wo hu dey me pa kire.
Ko ye ntoaso.
Enti omu yusu say sika we nyina de kwa sensitization.
Okay.
Na omu baaye. Na omu be fa kalabule kan so e pass ye no. Ene de no omu estimate say nko omu benya no. Omu ntumi enya. Even 10% kram to omu nya. Eno na Ghana fo nyina hu say na ye wishful thinking. Ana no omu ye. Na nya de omu calculate hu say omu betumi enya. No omu wish ana omu betu dwa to omu benya. But nenye idea a targeted figure no mo peso mo so binya but na wishful thinking they wish say na nko mo binya and so ana because what the wish bia ebu omaya sa na wo hu te si am na o kasai sinia omo ye momo nyina
okay
e fa ni nyina ejai akọ be bia na omo ye momo kioso no so obedu obebre ya tutum last week me had that year sa survey no me kind no less than 20 I have to more amejuma
e wo irabe
bebre akra wo ye pon e ya me do beta me kemna me wakọ bebre no akọ ye so bu nyina ejai o so no mo din koma o mo sem fa so ni so o mo nya hwe o mo tika na ekọ so enti be bia o man na gu no man ya go banks amenkofo adwuma gu yentu a o mo campo workers na ye adwuma banks na about 400 banks na ubu wo no into omoka ugu radio station TV stations more than 200 unu yan man yedma radio station TV stations yi om kwantena fie omu nyina obakatu ama nti oboka omu nidi uwie nso a otabe gu momo adwuma ni omamu otabe gu no amem nante no baba wanata akwatena fie ne bede na enura isa papa no da mental health hospital na
Dr. Akwesio say
what did they say enipa more than 16,000 enya adwunemuka
yo mo na mabonten
ka adwuma ni onidi na adwuma to agu
te na ko fa dambo na ba
no mo sa to bolo no na aduro mu ni bi no a obi an na dwene nyina krakrakra de ne mu ganye no no wati abonten baby o man na kodro no it's scary tete ye nyina ya ma ya ni bre ntini ye ka kire ne say say E-Levy no with immediate effect only free or but when it ye wo hay all the tax upon taxes and egu petrol so and it diesel ye tu petrol how it is a boy ye den wa manone a ye de na ekoton ye nyesika bebre firim mewa tisi ko nyesika bebre firim wa sika na e ba no e den fa so na ade
ye chefa say o oil no
ehun hiame se me hunu the ministry to petrol member it is up to them to make a prudent measures here e be me nyesika bebre firim
we aba beto agreement I take a chunk of emphasis ebenya from your farm where you to the private sector.
Don't defend.
Me defend here.
Don't defend. Ukota angle no. One remember answer. Enyo de.
There be answer here and yes
don't defend that.
The me defend make sure
you too fuel Ghana ha.
You too be Ghana.
You turn one manoni.
Yes.
It is your talk kwan e ba akopɛ kwan ye koton a ye nyeska firim.
No na me twa adwen so say yes you
percentage wonu di enya. Wonu di enya.
Minim see for 10 years.
O ma ka kire.
You get $30 billion out of it. You first you want $10 billion for 10 years.
10 billion
for 10 years.
Why the say 10 years?
For 10 years.
Why the say 10 years?
For 10 years you
do the fine. As I sir and justify say na we. Enti you too fuel wo memu ha. E koton no amano ni sika. E dey say ne bo no amano ne na te kotona. Ye sika bibribo memu ha. Memu ha. Enti di enti ana ye koto bia ba beton. That's no so wo sora. Ye de na enya sika bibri free mu no. Ye fe bi nhyem. Ni enkusin Ghana for me ehuntoye. Mewa all the taxes upon taxes na egu so.
Okay.
Bola tax nyina e wo petrol so. Diesel so. COVID tax e wo petrol so e wo diesel so. COVID no so no sika wonya free mu wonya about 32 billion. One for hospital ba ko pempo. Hospital ba ko pekura wansi. So wedim wonu o chiche ma parliamentary candidate. Minu it's one no parliamentary candidate wonya vape wonya 50,000 bi. So what teacher my parliamentary candidate any party officers and we disika na manasa na we ya taxes in the good petrol so bebre no what's increase no
okay
esla ya increase no energy sector levy omo de bulk margin levy and no so ma increase no levies bebre egwa yi so petrol so and na ma petrol ne bo na kosoro no say taxes in ko guso e ya about 49%. The senka petrol krano maybe a edri senka ton me fan say petrol is 62 and 63 diesel is 63 ewa your ton 30 cedis kra okay it still Ghana for be fast of it but it's more dinty the toss will be any mismanagement of our dollar no
okay
my dollar ne boy den no nti yentumi nye den yenuan be kofa enoma ne ba no ne boy den nti no mo so ba no mo so de ebo no akosoro
okay
because so say dollar and yet akunwa so NDC peso na 42 they say 93 ene na menim o check no na 91.5 menim say ene enko ye kure be bituma ko be 92 93 nti enua na okoyi container eba January ya na 2014 dokuta $10,000 and we nya 42,000 and 420 million in we here 920 million. That's what Bob is here 500 million be count. And then we pay in the container. Into the name and bar. You will be compelled so they be better so. On the part them. Okay. And now no money because petrol ya the dollar the cover. And I'm a
Bank of Ghana. Dollar to cedi 8 cedis 47 pesos.
Bank of Ghana. And you know correct. check forest.
Okay.
Check forest. Now we know 18 to 40%. We are Bank of Ghana interbank. Check forest.
Okay.
Yo, yati.
Forest we don't know anymore.
Okay.
Obusa. Ode yati.
Say ono to ana say ono.
Ne ton ne nyina abro nante.
Okay.
Hey.
Me check am wa ha.
Okay. Ernest.
Kwezi. Mini akwaku ni.
Me check am wa. Ewa.
Edum bi a omonsem kan no. Odwi ho na aya wonte ase.
Ade.
Because kwaku timitena ebonise mu ka chewo say sika yen penifo de call workshop and as a sensitization campaign ani omanfo ko di nkomo chechire mu chira manfo no sa sika ne bo sika ayagege and as a 90 million na yagege for E-Levy ne so na kwaku kasa e dey di pefe say oyenipa a onka no kre oyenipa a onpese ode no kre be ye adwuma esan say ubisa ne say it is so far na sa sika na cost yes and won to me nka to the extent kwase person compare domestic flight to international flight say offer flight de kwa man no charter flight esen and then no money asem bia ka mo ka na wo so mo kofa chartered flight e beto asem no ode ka ni ye bisa kwaku say costing $90 million and ye dey sensitization campaign and the NDC for mo ya koshi for pa because party amuti opposition ana mutimi sisa sami jemfini mo minority leaders ni ade ekogu kumase ne all over the country say omonko cheche mu yenti a woso omanfo authority a E-Levy anyom na omo start sa campaign first and sana ban mu penifo ye omadwe say ombebo apro a cheche mu ma to omanfo asum say yenti a edi E-Levy ni bani no position if you can be responsible in spending $90 million
Ghana cedis
or say Ghana, okay, Ghana 90 million Ghana cedis just to preach against a government policy. Now, so koshi need a viable. We are
the one na expensive hotel.
Yeah.
Metia di me so. Me try ma okasa fully. It is out your position.
Yeah.
Now betimi the sasika we abo pro. E di say dwumadie say ye de kwa akoye campaign tia aban dwumadi opese odi a wo sa sukohwini e bi ma wi said if it costs that much to do such a sensitization campaign and I just almost so akohwifo e bi ma da but no anim say asem a wo ka no enye no kre e de na aban timi spend this asika no be ministers miensa and I hwe apro mo boy ministers ekwen there was no point any or more than 4 ministers e wo no
a free greater Accra ekokam
yes ekokam mo no Takra didi omukoyi honorable Kojo Ponkroma ana honorable Eslowusu ana am say the deputy
finance minister
ana finance minister nipa 4
okay
yeah ana omuko ono ekoka regional minister no e wona omoye sa we say why na say now they find say nipa 4 ka offer domestic flight amoma say
osmo chatai
o dey na wa asem okay nti we ujinidi now charter domestic flight kwa say it goes to show nipa any omoye ade ni sebi enkontompo ni narabasem ade bi on pese omutwache Ghana for etimima Ghana for enye omumu gidie me anya mo wa se kwaku yes ade we yo enri bia NDC wo opposition bia no omu strategy ni se omu de omu ni policies on be ka ma to Ghana for sem ne mo yenka nsem anya nokre ento the government of the day ni so 2008 your my we mu nsem be no man kan fa president Akufo enye we mu ne ka che se Ghana gold reserve nyina no mampani Akufo ne na pamfo asesa akwa akoton omo ba abemuti so bi tu one na mo one day ewi eche nye cheopa ana fifi kwete ne okujeto abla kwa mo a na omo ye omo baby with sharp teeth no omo be pae
the woman so many babies with sharp teeth
there be na sasika no te say omo prove say e ampa say bibi sa esi
omo nye babies with sharp teeth
yo ya jati omo nye babies with sharp teeth omo ya adults with sharp teeth ya te say but the truth of the matter is say sa Mpensenpensenmu omo kai ni nyina na wi eche kosi sen omo che say abemu mpanifo abie omo the account numbers e betu dwa e che sika twitwi die e gumu omo susu say president Akufo ne na pamfo na wi sika akogu sa account
e betimi akale
say
when opposition mokma Ghana 40 say jomama to japade bebre o Dubai but up to na muntimi kura nchre one of the japade jomama to no Dubai enye characteristics of NPP, NDC, especially some opposition.
MPP penny ben na betimi amema bodin. MPP penny ben na betimi abodin say what na TV so kasa ati na kwaku boanya kasa ya odi nkontompo bodin. Your nsem bi we nenam mframa ni mu amanfo eka. Ba wonye MPP ni pani so wa betina afidie so abeka se Jomama aye say near MPP ni pani bekan obetu mria tresie. On kan trasa. That's the difference between MPP and NDC.
And COVID tax.
That we say mobile money for enyuma gugu ampa. Omunyuma kra so say first no. I saw say kan no. Because me ne wo ka say E-Levy kwaku nya botre wo ka say nti na me share da man fa ma no antum no E-Levy buy no so ni say we individual na say wo send this car percentage etewo no say wo ko gina de oye mobile money stand no na say me say me transfer 2000 cedis a ne service charge pe na oje me but say me transfer fi me phone so a ete me service charge na san so ati E-Levy na kan ho eti ende inu ebokwa ko gina de onu ye mobile money no oko gina ni so so be jona amanfo dodo gina omu so mu ye bi na office dey nti na nkom ye placard kwa de ko omu ye friend say de ko che o mampani omu adwuma no omu adwuma egu na ase na omu ko da mampani ase no na ye omu nyuma na egu
so ne wo kan e kire say mean say ne aban so e lose you because mobile money for no e use merchant so ne mra ne chemu a ma ye taxi omu with E-Levy. Then a ban there's no need for government to still continue on implementing E-Levy. Because I'm buying for so be and free so there. And they're working. And don't I'm buying to me, I'm buying for so fees. Anka and they yet ye nkuti sa amount and say I'm buying raising 90-something million. As against the 1.4 billion area. Yeah, and no there. One thing near minority leader kind. Minority leader be catch say yeah more my basu because although NDC for me and prevent say ye di E-Levy ne ba no. Omwetimi aboa ama ya ti aban sika dodo a wose aban etumi nya so nyame na make am Haruna ana wona wonte ye oka parliament in the press kwaku it's not about nya no kwasiti ya obetimi say yes so what I say the whole minority leader wose wo ne wa pamfo minority amore parliament maya de say aban sika dodo a wose otimi nya no de ye mpuntunyuma no modi abro ni be ye ama sika ne so atenti ye mo wabaso because from day one also on for aso tio also on for aso ono in particular ka on kan obabi ada so on for aso of representing minority and that was the position no that was the position of the minority so say ono minority leader kwa so ono de no for aso from day one ne de ni say percentage na na so yenti so eti no on for aso wo for aso nipa say of aso na emo no officer percentage ni was so yenti so we den ka so nipa at the end of the day the total decision by the minority here say yemfua E-Levy ne so we want to kick against E-Levy they say majority for pen pass here we all passed it was passed and there's nothing like minority and majority about the Parliament of Ghana. Okay. So I'm pass act never into a be. I'm pass bill be never ye act never mra. Parliament now pass it. It's at the time I say for us own for it doesn't matter. Nemo what bro ni be ye na udi ye na expected revenue was buying your way to me nyano. Revenue no jari ye de. Revenue no jari ye. And then know what are we measuring against? Sa 90 million or measure against no. Yeah. She emre dudu a na wo senke de pass E-Levy no aye ntumi am pass hwe month dudu a ehyigu ye for from even January up to date no so ns woni made ba ko so e ka kire wa it means say government adwuma osemo ye sembe kirekire nsema Ghana fo ate ase as against the minority no eye no musumu fail ye because musumu kirekire ni mamu ye Ghana fo bete ase a no matter ka minority be brainwash amanfo no still ko menya gidie ewo to me no untimi nkasi e fail entirely efa bi ne to sin kakra okay but untimi nkasi e fail because one nanke esese before E-Levy ne eba out no yeah anke osi edi kan ebo de ruo cheche mu cha manfo no egitum okay sa part na me de mi susu ye mi hu ni say amba etie ho no ye to sin okay be wi eche na ban hu say da bi e wosi e kora na ye cheche mu ma manfo ti ase na ye cheche mu ma manfo ti ase obe hu say dredifo ni ade nyina abagitum mu say ampa be bi o man ne du no eni be bi ewiase afa na nyina e ko no ese fata say ye tu sa na mo netimi ma ye sika asem ejina brane do we still need public tax yes meba ene ya me ne wo ka say no NDC ni anasa opani bi abetna abemu anasa obedi abemu a so e ka o man ne de eye say what is obi aka say mfaso a o man enya iti from nankate mreso no ye di aban bi aba ye ka say wo say ye ka say o joma ama time ne ka obogu woni
Yere Akufo-Addo ata ka obogu en da ben ye beka se aban bi bae anamontu o tu de te ye ka so enie sa anamon no eno na Yere Akufo-Addo asha se it's about time say e be raise domestic revenues ni etimi de ate ye ka ne so
ni nyina che ko IMF.
Oh, why not? Na say they said che ayana mo ka se ni nyina che ko IMF a ayana me ntisa aka sana se o. So what you say?
Okay.
E kwan ya obi fa so hwe wa ni na emubu e na nye the same. Debia me man fatum bi say who si udan when si udan no fa pem papa so.
Okay.
Na sa udan ni si wona no anka sa drigu a. Untimi mfa ntoto me a mesi mi dan e fa pem papa so. A e bi atorenche masi a won say ewia ha no nyina amanfo dan so apa. Na me so me dan so kopa bia osikwaku bu an dan na osi na wa ma ne fa pem papa na eno asi wona adriegu no o se me so me dan so apantie de say mu yasa
what do you kind e dan ya e so power area mo e be kan o de na kan.
Yes, but e be kasa to renchem ban ye no ns dan so pa bi bakwaku bu an de na adriegu no tie
atrenchem discabra ban
to atrenchem no enye obi making say atrenchem ba
but e discabra
me no ka say UN amahati ase say enipa 250 million people will fall into extreme poverty.
Okay.
Not to say nipa 250 million people and the beko nya donko mu enkosi afiye wiye.
Okay.
Ghana ye population ye saying. What if 250 million ni mko e ka saying? E cho say bibi koso wo wiase afa na nyina nipa dodo no e kire won.
Sorry.
Aka ma me land
but see you also catch say this is the time where you hear leadership. This is the time or send for the pragmatic measures. Egu akwam to ensure say obe save your man from that ahokyere no ye kan wasem.
Nanya asem na na yeke.
Nanto ye de.
Asem ya yeke no na wano mo nkwan. Esan say Yere Akufo-Addo wa dwen no ahwe kan. Na wahu say ewiase afa na nyina esi apeni. Say nipa 250 million people e ko nya donko mu a. Ekwan be na mefa so a me dihye no. Anasa dihye wo man ni mu no. Wo mu no ekom no enku omo.
Okay.
It's necessary buying two and I'm also two. Not even raise domestic revenues. Not even the so man for nase. And you no need leadership no. Leadership be BM. Em na COVID buy a man for who basa wo a man for mine so no. Anasa man on no.
Okay.
Yere Akufo-Addo say. Ye de ye nim sane yetimi nya ni nipa fi owu mu. Na mo ye nim kwan e be fa so a. Se sika sem krampo tete pansama ye betimi di sika na eden. A show mine no ama ye sika sem na timi agina brane. This is the time to take that decision. This is the time say sa kasa na okan no obetu ho anamo and sa anamo tuo no ana wa sha ase awotu eti so obi on minority side ana so obi on NDC side no de ne say yendi akohwe yenka nsam ntumpanifo so yenka ne enim na amanfo nyintum say aban say sika ne mo ana say sika bi aban raise no nye sika ebeboa enti yentwemu a sa nipa no odada eti na mbisa say me ben yesusu say aban bi beba obeka say ka me beto ye no and I'm saying na me ye edit so on say mbika no hwe according to the IMF report enipa 345 million people and ye say enkosi afie wiye ekomo chitiri die ebinsi da ebedi omo sa nipa 345 million people no Ghana for kan Ghana for kan ewiase afananya amaya hodo so nyina sa nipa ne kan
e be a good leadership etimi ye free
and that is exactly what we are doing etina Yere Akufo-Addo say beyond the area ntia na meka se mo kana se mo ka se oni ye kwa IMF you can clearly tell say enne ni senkenye covid ni anyama bi esi o amansengwa so a anke ne ya mene wo ka say e bia anka wo hwe indicators obi aban yi fafie eni bebi aya bedu a anke ne nki ensan kwa IMF ye kwa IMF no senka nanki entu fapem papa bia aban ni betimi agina so ahwe omanfo a anka IMF enyi enfi conditionality sa na ye wo mu
eti e ba ne aba be hwe we so ebrebri a ye indicators be ye bia and most of the times here na wo IMF program ase time ye call single digit time and na Akufo-Addo e ba ye because of a extended program be from IMF intino uhu se na yesika sem no agina ye the moment you free IMF mu pe ye body election ma pe ne ye call wayward challenge ni ye dey does it mean say we can't manage our own finances when we are out of IMF shemwana bedwam nie on Adom TV ye ba ese esa makwa ba biem ade ba Mpensenpensenmu so on bedwam Adom TV enie o messages ewa ha amenkenkai kakra Ghanaians must remember that in all these global economic challenges that Ghana finds itself, the NPP-led government of President Akufo-Addo and VIP Dr. Badwam has ensured that national health insurance is functioning. Tertiary students are taking students' loans without guarantees. Teacher and nursing trainee allowances are intact. Electricity is running 24/7. The novel free senior high school is running uninterrupted, and bank customers are enjoying their savings without any difficulties. Greetings to Honorable MP Minister Mavis Hawa Kumsin Same Kweli Ena Ediwe Ebaye. NDC has no proper policy for Ghana, only propaganda sa kwakubwa ni nimweni. Piaga enso Ediwe Ebaye. And as before some kwakusuno. Then we say what share even from John Mahama. Mamefa John Mahama na Akufo-Addo. Anytime be about say indicators no ejina ye bie ko ye bia no. We under an IMF program. Ye free program na se pe unhu ba bia balloon of financials e be fraba. Na fi asha se spend more than the yankasa share ejitu mu de maye ho. Na Akufo-Addo ba ye enema ehu ye na hyase nyina was because of a extended program from IMF ye hu ye. The moment ye free mu pe they start to be accounted say yisika ye di no afi ebro ye nya so. And the challenge of say we managing our own affairs no as a still ye share that say ya tia self so then means na Ampofo-Adjei say na abro bi na work on the part of NPP NDC for munya kwanya to manage our finances.
Kwesi me sa asemi matese nkofo kana I disagree a lot.
Okay.
Ma me ma faton. Remember President Akufo efi aben.
Yeah.
Na growth 9.6.
Okay.
Na nyame charge ya san discover oil in commercial quantities. And to be sure, Prof. Mills time no, around 2012 for Kono. Now Ghana, your growth cultural could do 14.9.
Okay.
Because of oil na ya discover in commercial quantities no. Eti emaye nuanu NDC for started kasabi unprecedented growth. No mo ye dede ewo ho. Ana mo ehu o mabra bobo yi. Ana omo tete sikasem ne pansam ya na to the extent say yeru ama akono na wakoshe IMF ase.
Okay.
No koshe IMF ase ne so no na growth 3.5.
Okay.
Tiene me che no. So what I say, even though he was an IMF program no, na growth 3.5. Yeru Akufo-Addo by early 2017 no. Consistently from 2017, 2018, 2019 until 2020 no, na growth averagely about 7%. Till under the two different administrations.
Okay.
You were under IMF condition.
Yeah.
When Timian Tutuniama ye sika 70 pansam ya growth ebe do 3.5%. Eti enya no krese o she condition asia obo omodio wa ma omodio o sika 70 mi jabran say no kra aka yeru ama time sika 70 pansam ebe do 3.5%.
But enya no krese Mahama IMF no kwe no. Akufo-Addo led NPP government be take the last two tranches.
Yeah, he be taking the last two tranches. But even when we had exited the program, no,
okay,
what was the growth? What were the economic indicators? That's how you measure it.
Okay.
So what I say, and I made sure say even when we are taking those your friend is saying allocations, no.
Yeah.
Shana montu a 2 year. Never compare na montu a NDC for 2 year. Even the same period under IMF, no. Compare growth no ne hu say there be even though o she IMF condition as no wo dia ebesho obo mo dia ebesho iti na mama sam fato ne say the period na NDC aban no yeru amama e she IMF ase no sika 70 be gina asen 3.5% growth ye MPP time no ye buy early 2017 now we can one say ye ne be take sa trenches no that time so consistently no na growth saying
okay
o hwe ne sa no say there be aban ba ko born home modern MPP under MPP no even under IMF no na growth 7% averagely under the NDC na 3.5% 3.4 averagely.
God bless.
If you compare clearly no it shows
difference no
aban no born home modern.
God bless Kwaku. He's a champion communicator. Kwaku talks with fact. Only those who don't want to know the truth always doubt Kwaku. Gabi Donovan and anyway and so bye. Good morning, watching you live from Nkwanta in Otirage. My name is Masawood Hamza Junior Capella. I am an official. In fact, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is the only fan of Ghana. No one can. Okay. Kwaku?
I'm in your Ernest. Ne ho wanwa Now we correct and never be say IMF I come
Yeah.
In the my fiscal policy near my be to me a day. Economic indicators no ejran na so.
Yeah.
Because so IMF e ma wo kwan second hand jet. Fana mu wiem. Abra at the expense of your people. Yes. I will be
I fear que Mpensenpensenmu
cry. Say on Yabro ni no more better trap any more than mu wiem.
IMF na mama.
My matter ma because no answer. No okasa ma me mo. Okasa mo. O ma wo kwan ma wo nyesa. So na me pa kire no.
Yeah.
O ma wo kwan e ma o ye toilet cry just o sesa land cruisers no ne nanan mo hemfo mo mo TNT no so o kwa kate so e kwa ye toilet. At kana wo de e kwa kate so no e so se ne do dis toilet no. E ma kwa sa. IMF be catch no say ye capital project. Na project ni ntwa no ka.
Okay.
Because senka omoje besia about besia say omoje and about 280 to 300 billion. Sa 300 billion no. Sina nkomo yemu omuti hospital, regional hospital ba kope. So
yeah.
Kibinya nurses, doctors, pharmacists, and workers, laborers no ne more than 2,000 be adwuma wo.
Also starting agenda 111.
Dey be owie intia nko.
Oh, okay.
Owie a no e waka. Why?
Okay.
Rage hospital adan me ko busa. Ni pay ye omo workforce 2,000, more than 2,000.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, rage.
Rage nurses inquire 800. Nurses, doctors yes 60 something. Pharmacists my. Ochimai my. Accountant my. Administrators my.
Laborers no.
Laborers my. Yenu an mo me clean wo.
Okay.
Omo so my. Ti say so mo so so to mo ka ye to mo tax so no say to mo tax the tax na te to mo no te bi to ahonka so mi sa e ka ye kobo ye no ye to mo tax no a it bi tuaka couple of years bi so mi sa and no e ma to ne ma wo nyina o mo tete to mo tax wani mo ba ye wo hu sa ni so ade hu na anya bi na akɔgye sika na be deal wo no tem regional hospital ba kwati ko Kumasi KJT market.
Yeah.
Stores about 10,000 a room.
Oh, yeah, phase 2.
On the year, and the place can be going to crowd across my phase 2 away. Oh, yeah. No bit me. Correct, the dream fields in ye. Your mamma did film you know the sea. And you pay your stores near 10,000 in the room. Some stores on say, Bakubia Crano, and Nipa Bako, and Wafano where you macan one. How much price? 20,000.
But when you okay, that's a Akufo-Addo buy 1 year.
Which me be? Enti
memoir.
Any pa more. What is school more? What is hospital room? Cars your cover. Any pa more than 30,000 day in and day out. Or the same thing. Or I tafu. Or back as a market. As one say. Say how crowd 2,000 people in the age more. Only part of that moment. Computer region university in Kokore. And quality school about 7,000. A teacher for the lecturers near you for almost 1,000. Any more the other.
Some free senior high schools be on my wise expanded at the project to be a can by to accommodating and whatever
project to be on the count. Then, yeah.
OCC, a dining
the over to about with the actual.
Who call a infantiman
what day will be about 6 classroom block, network classroom block, can we? Ah, must say, pa. Yeah, come on, this secondary.
How can any yes,
yes. Okay. You cried the American and American University.
Ah, okay.
And yes, secondary school America. Secondary school American can be brave. American University Bacope. I have fed the pack and Kuala Jumau.
So, also about to teach human resource.
Chirame a trouble gas.
Also to teach human resource.
A trouble gas. And you pay your Jumau.
Okay.
Tax a yawu and one is a trial hoka. Gas na you turn and one is trial hoka. It is 500 billion about we no month. San komu si factory aketem you pay. And no see regional hospital you pay. And no see market yen sa pay wo mu a ka omo quantify any more than 100,000 and kay mo. Come a brand here and ha abrante we say ni krom a ko pay MP no. Dem yo mo friend so mo pay my boys.
But I say kwaku boy yes 30 seconds. 30 seconds yes.
Kwaku insem kan can be wa esru o say and IMF program na ultimi yet Kroma even under IMF program, Era Mama, a total land cruisers, Chichema opinion leaders. And it was that irresponsible act, Nibinama, you go to Tiba 3.5. So what I say. Okay. And now let's kind of come to project. Debbie. Young fan that is the only thing NDC for anywhere.
Project
Antonio Kwakubuai. Deputy National Communications Officer NDC. Good morning to Chairman Chris. CEO Dema Colinde Court. Kwakumpasho microphone you're off. Chairman Chris. CEO Dema Colinde Court. Yamishra Obo Jumapa Court so. Yeah, whatever committee 18 no. And I'm share. Eye kama pa mo ene adwuma obo ene bo ade share whatever ne Ghana. Afana nyina da se bebre bia wo bia happy birthday and so and confirm binya John Adom wo Ohio USA o hwa no pede ne Yakopon hira happy birthday we so free kwasi rain of Maguna studio honum ne de eba me de akwasi inside na sekese koma production team sound light camera MC a wo bi obo ama adwuma de awie pay bia ye da mo nyina mase adwoada o man hene kwabena asante no be de ahia o bedwam dwuma de so background